Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. We are from the group I am.
I'm Amrani and this is my friend.
I'm Mosifah Maulana. We will present interactive videos about workshop tools and machines. Enjoy watching. Let's go.
Hi Moj.
Hi Arun.
What's wrong Moj?
I'm just annoyed because I can solve my first riddle.
What is the puzzle about?
It is about machines.
Maybe I read about the riddle. Maybe I can help you solve it.
Seriously?
Yes.
So it is made of iron. The colors are black, orange, and gold. The size is rectangle, triangle, cylinder, and square. The size is large. It is used to dry smells into objects and other materials. And it is medium weight. The texture is hard. And the price is expensive. It is old. It is useful for making it easier and quickly for attaching wooden parts to objects.
I know. It must be another machine.
How do you know?
It's in a workshop. Do you know?
Yes, I know, but I can afford that.
What's wrong with you today? Why do you want to test?
I'm just frustrated because I can answer the riddle even though it's easy.
Don't worry much. How about I give you a riddle? If you can answer it, I will give you a photo card.
So, I agree.
Okay.
Okay.
It is made of steel or iron. The color are blue and silver. The shapes are half circle and round. The size is medium. It is used for holding wood or metal workplace. It is light. The price is cheap. The texture are rough and hard. It is useful for making furniture or products.
I know. It is definitely expensive.
Yes, that's right. Oh my god.
Thank you, Arun.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Let's go to the candy.
Of course. Okay guys, thank you for attention.
And see you next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.